This is basically what's going on.
So Boulder County,
the whole city's on fire, guys.
There's a huge fire in Boulder right now.
How's it going, man? Can I get 30 on 4, please? Did you hear about Boulder?
I did, yeah. Superior and Louisville.
All those towns?
Yeah, they all 3 got evicted.
Damn.
Of that big fire going on.
Wow.
Did you know that Boulder is on fire?
I did not know that.
Yep, it's crazy. Check out the news.
Okay.
I'm on a back road and I'm working my way closer to the fire right now. As I'm getting closer to the fire, I'm realizing how big it is. This is no small grass fire as advertised and as I thought it was. This fire has turned into a pretty big fire. I've heard of wind gusts all the way up to like 75 miles an hour. Let's see if we can get a little closer here. Okay guys, I just pulled off I-25 and I'm getting close. This is the first, oh, I can see flames. I can see the flames now, guys. Whoa, there's so many little fires. Oh man, I don't know if you guys can see it, but oh my gosh, there's so many little fires. Whoa, this is crazy. There's so much smoke too. I know you can't see it on camera. There's so much smoke. Pretty wild. People, this is unbelievable. That fire right there is still probably 5 to 10 miles away. It's getting real. Man, that's not that far from us at all. That is not that far from us. Oh man. Look at that. Oh man, that's somebody's house. Somebody's house is going up in flames right there, guys. Oh my gosh. This is unbelievable. This is something that people are gonna remember forever. This is part of history right here. People are literally stomping this stuff out, fighting for their stuff, guys. There's people out squirting garden hoses. Looks like they're gonna close the road behind me. Huge fire. It's the biggest fire I've ever seen. Wow. This is horrible. This is horrible. There's fires everywhere. It's not just one fire, guys. It's not. These guys are battling hundreds of little fires. That big ball of fire, the brightest fire right there, is still the shape of somebody's big, beautiful house.
The fire's still a good mile away. You guys see all these spots in here? All those heavy glows are the remnants of people's houses. That's the framing of the houses. This glow right here is getting bigger. Okay guys, I am officially just right off the road. We've got emergency vehicles headed that way. We've got a fire going on right here. Oh, I was able to cross the fence. I was able to cross the fence. Wow, this is a live look. Oh no. Somebody's house is right here. And the flames are right here. Oh man. can hear the garage breaking and bending. That garage, look, it's going up in flames right now. Luckily, the wind is kind of blowing away from this house. Oh my gosh, guys, I don't think I'm supposed to be here. Whoa. Okay, guys, we made it to the fire. I cannot believe it. This is unbelievable. We've got a garage on fire right here. We've got a horse stable here, but look, the tragedy of it all, guys. There's somebody's beautiful house right here. Horrible, guys. Okay, I think the flames are getting a little bigger and I'm getting a little nervous. I got emergency people right behind me. Looks like they're headed my way.
Like, it's tragic to see, but
It sure is.
in 30 years from now when I'm retired, it's neat to see the pictures.
Yeah, thank you for your work.
Yeah, thanks, buddy.
Okay, this is taking off now.